Did you know ChatGPT can do way more than just answering questions? From planning your next holiday to writing a song, this AI can unlock your creativity in ways you never imagined. Stick around, and I'll show you 10 fun and super easy ways to use ChatGPT in your everyday life. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to make life easier, spark creativity, and even have some fun along the way. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss tips like these. 1. Write a song. Have you ever wanted to write a song but didn't know where to start? Just tell ChatGPT your theme, like a love song for long-distance couples, and ask it to write lyrics. You can even specify the genre, like pop or country. For example, I tried write a cheerful song about coffee, and ChatGPT whipped up lyrics that could rival a Starbucks jingle.
Coffee, my morning bliss. Woke up to the sunrise peeking through the blinds, dreams fading slowly, but there's one thing on my mind. The kettle's calling and the beans begin to grind. Oh, coffee, sweet coffee, you're my daily find.
2. Generate writing prompts. Struggling with writer's block? Simply type, "Give me 10 unique story ideas" into ChatGPT. For instance, I asked for a suspense story idea and got one about a mysterious package that changes a town's fate. Perfect for writers who need a push.
Title: The Parcel of Providence. In the quiet town of Willow's End, where nothing extraordinary ever happens, an unmarked package appears on the steps of Town Hall. The package is heavy, wrapped in old, weathered paper with no return address.
3. Plan your dream vacation. Want to travel but don't know where to start? Tell ChatGPT where you want to go and your budget. For example, I typed, "Plan a 3-day trip to Paris under $500, and it gave me a full itinerary with places to visit, eat, and shop. So easy.
Planning a 3-day budget trip to Paris under $500 is achievable with careful planning. Here's a detailed itinerary. Day 1. Arrival and exploring central Paris. Budget allocation, $160. Accommodation, food, transport. Morning. Arrival in Paris. Book a budget flight or train. Look for airlines like Ryanair or EasyJet, or book a low-cost train ticket in advance. Check-in. Stay at a hostel or budget hotel in central Paris, such as St. Christopher's Inn or Generator Paris, $60 per night.
First date ideas. Nervous about a first date? Ask ChatGPT. For example, I asked, "What's a creative date idea in New York?" and it suggested a cute picnic in Central Park, followed by a sunset boat ride. Sounds like a rom-com, right?
A creative and memorable date idea in New York could be a day of art, skyline views, and speakeasy mystique. 1. Morning art adventure. Start at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Met. Wander through world-class exhibits and share your favorite pieces with each other. Entry is pay what you wish for locals or $30 for general admission. Alternatively, stroll through the cloisters in Fort Tryon Park for a medieval and romantic atmosphere.
5. Party planning. Hosting a party? Let ChatGPT be your personal event planner. For instance, I told it, "Plan a Harry Potter-themed party," and it gave ideas for decorations, games, and even a butterbeer recipe.
Magical Harry Potter-themed party plan. Invitation. Create Hogwarts acceptance letters as invites. Use parchment-style paper and include details like the start of term, party date, and time. Seal them with wax or a red sticker and send them by owl post, regular mail, or email with animated owl graphics.
6. Social media captions. Struggling with captions for Instagram? Just type your theme, like beach day, and ChatGPT will give you catchy lines. I asked for a caption for a sunset photo, and it gave me "Chasing sunsets and dreams." Perfect, right?
Chasing sunsets and dreams, one golden moment at a time. Sunset vibes? Dream big.
7. Find the perfect gift. Need a unique gift idea? ChatGPT's got you. For example, I asked, "What's a good gift for a friend who loves art?" It suggested DIY painting kits, which turned out to be a hit.
Here are some thoughtful gift ideas for a friend who loves art. 1. High-quality art supplies. A set of professional-grade paints, brushes, sketchbooks, or pencils. Consider brands like Winsor & Newton, Faber-Castell, or Copic.
8. Create a workout plan. Want a workout routine tailored to you? Ask ChatGPT. I told it, "Give me a beginner workout plan with no equipment," and it provided a mix of squats, push-ups, and stretching. No more excuses.
Beginner no equipment workout plan, 3 days a week. This workout plan focuses on building strength, endurance, and flexibility without requiring any equipment. Perform this routine 3 times per week, with at least 1 rest day in between sessions.
9. Decide what to watch. Tired of scrolling endlessly for a movie? Just tell ChatGPT what you like. I typed, recommend feel-good movies like The Pursuit of Happiness, and got a list including Forrest Gump and The Blind Side. Problem solved.
If you love The Pursuit of Happiness and are looking for more feel-good, inspiring movies, here's a list. Feel-good movies about resilience and hope. 1. Forrest Gump, 1994. Follow Forrest's extraordinary journey through life, overcoming challenges with optimism and kindness.
10. Edit media files with ChatGPT's code interpreter. If you have the ChatGPT Plus plan, you can edit videos or images. For example, I asked it to add text to a photo, and it delivered in seconds. It's like having your own media assistant. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could use a little creativity boost. Also, hit the bell icon so you're notified of my next video. Here's a pro tip. Be as detailed as possible when asking ChatGPT for help. The more specific you are, the better results you'll get. Oh, and if you're curious about ChatGPT's limitations, check out my other video on that topic. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching the tutorial lab. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and stay curious.